Generative AI technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we create content. Introducing ChatGPT 3, the latest AI technology from OpenAI, which allows users to generate text and answer complex questions in a human-like manner. With expert-level syntax and grammar, anyone can use ChatGPT 3 to write anything from blogs and white papers to student essays and business correspondence. But with this cutting-edge technology comes important ethical considerations. The accuracy and sources of information generated by ChatGPT 3 may be questionable, raising questions around intellectual property. Another concern is the potential for ChatGPT 3 to perpetuate biases or misinformation. As it learns from the internet, it may pick up stereotypes or incorrect information, which may not be obvious to the user. As more and more chatbots and virtual assistants powered by this technology interact with users, there is a risk of confusing people between human and machine-generated content. But the benefits of generative AI technology like ChatGPT 3 cannot be denied. From customer service to content generation, ChatGPT 3 has the ability to automate tasks that were previously done by humans, saving time and money for businesses. However, this also raises concerns about job displacement and the need to reskill workers. As we continue to develop and use generative AI technology, it's crucial that we monitor the potential risks and develop ethical guidelines for its use. The future is here, and with ChatGPT 3, the possibilities are endless.
Thank you for watching.